Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make a silver polish spray. It's basically a cleaner for your silver ornaments. But before that, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting the updates of all such latest videos. So let's begin. For making 500 ml of silver polish spray, we will be requiring these things. First is turpentine oil around 100 ml. Second is ammonia solution or ammonia water. It's basically a solution of ammonia in water around 100 ml. And the third is DM or RO water around 250 ml. And the fourth is chalk powder around 50 grams. And an empty beaker. And an empty spray bottle. And a stirring rod. So let's start the process. Please wear nose mask for safety purpose. Firstly, we will add turpentine oil around 100 ml to our empty beaker. Please use good quality of turpentine oil only. Secondly, we will add ammonia solution or ammonia water around 100 ml to our beaker. It's basically a solution of ammonia in water. And thirdly, we will add chalk powder around 50 grams to our solution. So let's add it to our solution. And now we will stir our solution. And lastly, we will add DM or RO water around 250 ml to our solution. And we will stir our solution again. And we will stir until the chalk powder completely dissolves in it. After mixing well, we will see our silver ornament cleaner is ready in quantity of 500 ml. So let's test it now. For testing purpose, we will use this silver coin for cleaning. Firstly, we will dip this silver coin for cleaning. We can make use of this brush also for cleaning this silver coin. In this way, with the help of a brush, we will clean this silver coin. And we will see now how it's cleaning up. And after brushing, we will see our silver coin is shining. And see, it's really shining like a new silver coin. It's really a very effective liquid. It will shine all your silver ornaments. So friends, now you came to know how it's so simple to prepare a silver ornament cleaner and what is the real formula behind it. So friends, I hope you like my video and please subscribe my channel also for getting the updates of more such videos. Thank you and stay connected.